How to make easy money with AI. In this video we will explore an exciting opportunity to make money with AI without any upfront investment. It's a fun and creative way to earn through platforms like Etsy and Fiverr. Tap into the potential of AI and take advantage of the many opportunities in the market to make money. Let's dive in and see how you can get started. IMG2Go is a wonderful platform that brings old black and white photos to life with a single click. It's super easy to use. Just upload a black and white photo, click start and you can easily download it. You can also reduce the picture's quality if you want using this website. The desire for colorized old photos is increasing quickly. You can enter this market by providing personalized and visually attractive artworks. Get a colorized photo from the platform. I will put a link in the description. Now let's showcase your creations and find customers. Two great options are Etsy and Fiverr. Create an account and describe your service. Many accounts have already made a lot of money doing this. Etsy is an online marketplace where artists can sell their unique products. Fiverr is a platform where you can offer your colorization service with work samples to attract customers. It's easy and doesn't cost anything. Simply visit your account daily, respond to inquiries and gain experience and positive reviews. Gradually increase your price for more success. Promote your service effectively on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook and Pinterest. Many people have found success in this market and you can too. Start today and turn your passion for colorizing photos into a profitable venture. This is literally a simple method to make easy money with AI and with not much work. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.